Welcome to the Ardrossan Connections project. In this short video, we would like to share with you the next project progress and how you can get involved in activities in the next stage. The Ardrossan Connections project was launched in January this year and aims to improve the experience for everyone using the National Cycle Network routes going through Ardrossan, whether they choose to walk, cycle or wheel. It also aims to shape the centre of Ardrossan as a more accessible, safe and welcoming destination for residents, visitors and also local businesses. Our team at Sustrans Scotland is working on the project together with North Ayrshire Council and Ardrossan Community Development Trust. The project also has a dedicated steering group that is supporting the project and ensures that the long-term direction of the project represents the community's priorities and aspirations. The members of the steering group include representatives from Ardrossan Community Development Trust, Ardrossan Castle Heritage Society, local residents, Cunningham Housing Association, North Ayrshire Access Panel, Whitleys Community Association, Sustrans Scotland and also North Ayrshire Council. We're also still looking for representatives from local businesses and the local youth groups to join the steering group. So if you do represent any of these groups and are interested in joining the steering group, please do get in touch. During the first stage of the project, the Discover stage, a series of monitoring surveys were carried out between late September and early October 2020 to get an understanding of how people travel through the study area, including pedestrians, cyclists and also vehicles. Our team also conducted on-street observations to better understand the planned and existing physical environment, as well as social media aspects of how people currently use the space. A few volunteers also ran a walking audit, providing input on barriers when moving through the study area. All of this information will be used to inform the development of the concept design. We also asked the community input on issues and improvements for the existing National Cycle Network going through the town and the street environment within the centre of Ardrossan. We conducted 2 virtual launch events in January with various interactive activities, and this was joined by 4 to 6 people who shared their views about the study area. The community were also invited to share their comments through a dedicated project website and the community survey, which was distributed to each household in Ardrossan. Overall, we have received over 500 comments from events, surveys and the project website, so thanks to everyone who has commented so far. All the comments have been analysed to establish common and popular themes, which will help inform decisions throughout the design development. The comments included both negative and positive reactions to Ardrossan, as well as identifying some future opportunities. The word cloud you can see is a visual representation of which themes were the most popular, indicated by the size of the text, with the most common themes appearing the biggest. The most common themes included attractiveness, safety, cycling, walking, connectivity, maintenance, green, surfaces, activities, and also identity. A more detailed categorised summary of the initial analysis can be found in the information boards on page 6 and 7, and this is all available on the project website. Identifying the key themes has allowed us to understand what is important to the community and what should be addressed in the design for the area. To ensure we address the key themes through the design, we're developing design objectives which we will use as a guide to ensure that the designs developed address the current issues and the key themes as a whole. So we propose the following design objectives. Objective 1 is to provide a safe, accessible, attractive and connected National Cycle Network route through the centre of Ardrossan. This objective will ensure that the new infrastructure is attractive, accessible and provides a continuous route for residents and visitors who choose to cycle, walk or wheel. Objective 2 is to create a National Cycle Network route and public realm in the centre of Ardrossan that works well together with other elements of Ardrossan's transport infrastructure. This objective will create a route that is safe for people who use it and for anyone using the public transport, and will change access to become more easy. Objective 3 is to celebrate Ardrossan's identity and create a welcoming and attractive public realm in the centre of Ardrossan. It will also increase the design to become a more welcoming and attractive public realm along the National Cycle Network. that will reference Ardrossan's assets such as the history, maritime and also the heritage. And objective 4, the final objective, is to create a national cycle network route through Ardrossan that is coordinated with other development projects that are being progressed in the town. This will ensure existing and proposed routes are connected and signage is integrated between different projects. For more details on any of the design objectives, please check out page 8 in the information boards and let us know if we've missed anything in the design objectives. You can comment on these at any of our workshops or on the project website. During the develop stage, we are also inviting the community to join our virtual design festival, where you can work with the team on specific design ideas and interventions that could help tackle the issues the community have raised and bring changes the community would like to see in the centre of Ardrossan. For more information about the workshops and registration, you can follow the website on the screen. If you cannot make the workshop, you can contact our team by emailing or phone to share your comments on the design objectives or the ideas for the solution. You can see the contact details on the slide. For email Ailey Russell on ailey.russell@sustrans.org.uk, or you can call us on 0131 346 1384. During the Discover stage, the team also collected feedback about barriers to walking, wheeling, cycling, other than infrastructure. The most common barriers are concerns of personal safety, lack of awareness about routes, and also the lack of confidence. During the develop stage, there will be activities to help identify what solutions could be suggested to overcome these barriers, as well as others that were mentioned. We've also developed youth engagement activity booklets with a range of activities to get young people's ideas on improvements to the centre of Ardrossan for a place to play and also spend time in. We also have a competition to redesign the milepost in Ardrossan, which is open to school pupils from primary 1 to secondary 2 who attend school in Ardrossan. So please get in touch with Kat at kat.wright@sustrans.org.uk if you would like a digital copy sent to you. We're also inviting local schools to take part in Sustrans Big Pedal, which is the UK's largest inter-school cycling, walking, wheeling and scooting challenge that inspires pupils, staff and parents to be amazing and take active journeys to school. In the future, when the government restrictions allow, we're planning to conduct guided walks and cycle rides as well as local litter picks. Finally, on the project website blog, we promote local walking and cycling routes, so check that out too. Thank you very much for taking time to learn more about the Ardrossan Connections project. We hope to see you at our workshop soon.